Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. In this video, you will see the conversation between doctor and patient. So don't miss this video. Watch till the end. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started.
Excuse me, may I come in?
Yes, please. Have a seat. What is your name?
My name is Anjali Mehti.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
What's the matter?
I have a stomach ache.
What did you have yesterday?
I had some snacks.
Oh, that's the reason of your stomach ache. Let me check. I am prescribing you medicine that you have to take twice a day after having meals for 5 days. Get some rest and you will be recovered.
Thank you, doctor. How much shall I pay?
200 rupees.
So friends, hope you learned how to describe your illness. See you soon in my next video. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Stay tuned.